We use Fiddler's explainable AI platform to not only operationalize our AI models, but more importantly, to explain these models. Explanations make these models more understandable across our technical and business teams. Fiddler's platform provides in-depth insights that our technical teams uses to improve our models, input selection, and feature engineering process. It also provides human readable and prescriptive insights to our sales and marketing teams, enabling them to more intuitively score leads and prospects to ensure customers and business success. I'm excited about Fiddler's technology helping us advance our analytics effort at Rubrik. So I think the core challenge that we were trying to solve here was across our business processes. We have been collecting a lot of data, but then we I think were constrained by the number of people we can have to solve some of these problems, right? And given the amount of data and the amount of leads we had, we wanted to make sure we had some kind of a predictive model that can help us uh, uh, streamline, or I would say prioritize the leads that we go against, right? So this was a top of the funnel problem that we are trying to solve at Rubrik. Primarily, the gaps in across the board, the solutions that we have looked at, um, it's in some cases the solutions provide you some kind of scores, it provide you some kind of grades around these leads, but there are not many solutions that are providing you the whys, right? How did it come up to that score? Why is something rated higher than the other? So it's just a black box for us pretty much, and that makes the business difficult, um, you know because you have less reliability on the scores. So I think Fiddler came out really well with that, and I think the feature impact the feature impact feature part of the software is really helpful for us, because that helped bring more uh, insight to why a lead is scored higher than the others, and helps business basically make tweaks or changes to their processes, or also help recommend what kind of changes we need to do in terms of the way we are modeling and scoring. One important thing, again, over and above the feature impact that we're talking about and the whys around some prediction, I think another aspect of Fiddler that we really love, and that is what I would recommend, is it's very generic and it still works. So it's not like, for example, today I want to do a lead scoring, I have to go find a package or a tool or a product that specifically specializes in lead scoring, right? And then there are where you have deal scoring, and then you have some other use cases. So all of these are very use case specific, and specialize in it, right? But still, we don't see a lot of value coming out of it. With Fiddler, we basically have a very generic way of going about solving our problems. So we just come with problem statements and we just throw them at Fiddler, and it helps us come up with predictions and scores around those. So it's very case agnostic in most cases. It's like one-stop solution for for most of the business problems that we are trying to solve.